Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today our topic is 10th class mathematics chapter number 7, that is coordinate geometry, exercise 7.1, question number 7. Prove that the points minus 7 comma minus 3, 5 comma 10, 15 comma 8 and 3 comma minus 5 taken in order are the corners of a parallelogram. Okay, so what is a parallelogram diagram? Okay, this is the diagram of a parallelogram. Both the opposite sides length is equal in this. So here AB is equals to DC and AD is equals to BC. So parallelogram lo opposite sides length అనేది ఈక్వల్ గా ఉంటుంది. సో AB size ఇంకా DC size అనేది ఈక్వల్ ఉంటుంది and AD size is equals to BC size. Okay, let's do the solution. Given A minus 7 comma minus 3, B 5 comma 10, C 15 comma 8 and D 3 comma minus 5. Okay, first manam AB distance kanukundam. First we have to find AB distance. So A point is minus 7 comma minus 3 and B point is 5 comma 10. So what is the distance formula? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root of, so this is distance formula. Substitute these two values in this formula. So this is x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay, so 5 minus of minus 7 whole square plus 10 minus of minus 3 whole square root of is equals to 5 plus 7. 5 minus into minus plus 7 whole square plus 10 plus 3 whole square root of 5 plus 7 12 whole square plus 13 whole square. So 12 into 12 is 144 plus 13 into 13 169. If you add these two values, you will get 313 root of. Okay, so AB distance is root 313. Now we have to find DC distance. DC. So D values are 3 comma minus 5 and 15 comma 8. So this is x1 y1 x2 y2. Substitute in distance formula. 15 minus 3 whole square plus 8 minus of minus plus 5 whole square. 15 minus 3 is 12 whole square plus 8 minus 5 is 13 whole square. 12 into 12 144 plus 13 into 13 169. 313 root of. Okay, so here AB distance is equals to DC distance. Okay, AB distance is equals to BC distance because we got the same values. Now we have to find AD is equals to BC. AD. A value is minus 7 comma minus 3 and D value is 3 comma minus 5. Okay, so this is x1 y1 x2 y2. Substitute in distance formula. X2 minus x1, so minus into minus plus whole square plus y2 minus 5 minus into minus plus 3 whole square root of 7 plus 3 10 whole square plus minus 5 plus 3 minus 2 whole square. 10 into 10 100 plus 2 into 2 4. We got root 104. We got AD distance is root 104. Now we have to find BC distance. So what is the B point? 5 comma 10 15 comma 8. So this is x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay, 15 minus 5 whole square plus 8 minus 10 whole square root of. So 15 minus 5 is 10 square plus 8 minus 2 is minus 2. 8 minus 10 is minus 2 whole square. 100 plus 4. We got root 104. We got the same values. Therefore, so here ABCD, both pairs of opposite sides AB and CD are equal and BC and AD are equal. So hence the given points from a parallelogram. Okay. Eighth problem. Show that the points minus 4 comma minus 7, minus 1 comma 2, 8 comma 5 and 5 comma minus 4 are taken in order are the vertices of a rhombus. Okay, and find its area. We have to find two things here. First we have to find the rhombus and next its area. Hint is given, area of rhombus is equals to half into product of its diagonals. Okay, so let's do the solution. Given A minus 4 comma minus 7, B minus 1 comma 2, C 8 comma 5 and D 5 comma minus 4. First we have to find AB distance. Okay. What is the distance formula? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. So A and B. So what is A point? Minus 4 comma minus 7. B point is minus 1 comma 2. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay. So substitute in this formula. AB is equals to x2 minus 1 minus into minus plus. Okay, I will write minus of minus 4 whole square plus 2 minus of minus 7 whole square. Minus 1 minus into minus plus 4 whole square. 2 minus into minus plus 7 whole square. Minus 1 plus 4 3 whole square plus 7 plus 2 9 square. So here 3 square, 3 into 3 is equals to 9. 9 plus 9 into 9 equals to 27. 27 is equals to root 30. Sorry, here 9 into 9 is equals to 81. Here 81. So we got root 81 plus 9, 90. How can we write this 90? 9 into 10. 9 tens are 90. Root 9 value is 3. So we got 3 root 10. Next we have to find BC distance. So B points are minus 1 comma 2 and C points are 8 comma 5. x1 y1 x2 y2. So substitute in formula. 8 minus of minus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square. 9 whole square plus 5 minus 2 is 3 whole square. 9 into 9 81 plus 3 into 3 9. Root 90 we got 3 root 10. Okay, is equals to 9 into 10. Okay, root 9 value is 3 and root 10. Okay, AB distance kanukunnam and BC distance kanukunnam. Next we have to find CD distance and AC distance. CD distance. C point is 8 comma 5 and D point is 5 comma minus 4. x1 y1 x2 y2. Substitute in distance formula. CD is equals to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root of. So here x2 is 5 minus x1 value is 8 whole square plus x2 is minus 4 minus 5 whole square. So here 5 minus 8 is minus 3 whole square minus 9 whole square. So here minus 3 into minus 3, minus into minus plus 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus minus 9 into minus 9, minus into minus plus 9 into 9, 81. So 81 plus 9 is 90. 3 root 10, we got 3 root 10. Okay, how can we write this? 90 is equals to 9 into 10. So root 9 value is 3. We have root 10. Okay, next AD distance. A value is minus 4 comma minus 7. D value is 5 comma minus 4. x1 y1 x2 y2. AD is equals to, substitute in the distance formula. So this is the formula, same formula. 5 minus of minus 4 whole square plus minus 4 minus of minus 7 whole square root of. So here 5 plus 4 whole square plus minus 4 plus 7 whole square. 5 plus 4, 9 square plus 3 whole square. 9 nines are 81 plus 3 into 3 is 9. 3 root 10. Okay. Next AC distance. A point is minus 4 comma minus 7. C point is 8 comma 5. x1 y1 x2 y2. So substitute in distance formula. 8 minus of minus, okay, whole square plus 5 minus of minus 7 whole square. 8 plus 4 whole square plus 5 plus 7 whole square. 12 square, 12 square. 5 plus 7 is 12. So 12 square, 12 into 12, 12 into 12 is equals to 144. 144 plus 144. If you add these two values, 288 root of. How can we write this 288 value? 144 into 2. What is 144? Root 144 value? 12. Root 2. Okay. Next we have to find BD distance. So B point is minus 1 comma 2. D point is 5 comma minus 4. x1 y1 x2 y2. So 5 minus 1 whole square plus minus 4 minus 2 whole square. So here 5 plus 1 whole square plus minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6 whole square. 6 whole square plus 6 whole square minus 6 whole square. So 6 into 6. 6 into 6 is 36. Okay, 6 into 6 is 36. So here 36 plus minus 6 into minus 6. Minus into minus plus 6 into 6 is 36. 36 plus 36, 72. So here 36 into 2. Root 36 value is 6 root 2. Therefore, in ABCD, AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to AD. Okay, all sides are equal. Hence, ABCD is a rhombus. Okay. Now we have to find its area. Already they have given hint. So area of rhombus is equals to 1 by 2 into product of its diagonals. So here, area of a rhombus is equals to 1 by 2 into diagonals d1, d2. 1 by 2 into, so what is the first diagonal? 12 root 2 into, and the next one is 6 root 2. Okay, here 12 into 6 is 72. Root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2. So we can write this 2 into 2. So what is 2 into 2? Root 2 square. Here square and root is cancelled. We got 2. Okay. So here into 2 by 2. 2 and 2 is cancelled. We got 72. Okay. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చూడండి, రూట్ 2 ఇంటూ రూట్ 2. రూట్ 2 ఇంటూ రూట్ 2. మనం దీన్ని ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు? 2 ఇంటూ 2. ఓకే. సో 2 ఇంటూ 2 ఇస్ రూట్ 4. రూట్ 4 అంటే 2 స్క్వేర్ కదా. సో హియర్ స్క్వేర్ అండ్ 2 క్యాన్సిల్. సో మనకి ఏం మిగిలింది? 2. అండ్ డినామినేటర్లో 2. 2 and 2 క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయింది. సో మనకి 72 అనేది ఆన్సర్. సో 72 square units. 7th and 8th problems are completed. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.